So if I had to give just 3 pieces of advice around accountancy and tax and what should a small business owner be doing, keeping good records is always number one. We get asked a lot, what's the best way to save tax? The really boring things are often the right answer, and the first one is keeping good records, making sure that you don't lose receipts, making sure that you don't just miss things out your records because you paid them cash. So you went and you were traveling to an event and you bought yourself some lunch and a coffee and you paid with it your personal card and you forgot to capture it in your records. You've just lost a tax deduction, and not only that, on top of that, you've also paid for it out of money that's already probably been taxed. If it's come out of a limited company, it's been taxed on corporation tax, it's been taxed on dividend, and then you've used your own funds to pay for it. It's just criminal. So just make sure you're capturing it all. And one of the key ways to do that, of course, is use technology. So there's some great receipt capture apps. So if you're using like a QuickBooks or a Xero, both of those have options. You can either, the QuickBooks has a native app, or the Xero, they have a partner called HubDoc you can use. We're quite big fans of Dext here, which is sort of a third-party equivalent, and that talks to the two of those products. I think for a bookkeeping, if you do your own bookkeeping, you can actually have quite an efficient workflow with it. So using something like a Dext, but it's just an app on your phone, you just snap it. So before you walk away from the till, snap it. I always love making the queue wait another 30 seconds to snap my receipt as I stand to one side and do it, because I am just as bad as you at losing these receipts. So keeping good records is absolutely going to save you some tax. So just investigate those things if you're not using the tech.